Hello guys, we are today playing I am a bird gameplay, and this is what it looks like. You can get this game at Play Store. Just search I am a bird and look at this. Guys, wait. Look at this, guys. Let's get some guns. Now let's sit down. Now let's get it. Now we are super financial of the earth. Look guys, I will show you how to do.
Eyes up, pace on.
Baby, wanna subscribe?
Stay with it. Go get staff.
Just got this guy on me.
Cross walk beeps are my personal DJ. Bulk delivery. Works for me. Left turn. Check his breathing now. Eyes roll back. Yikes. Plenty of time, plenty of road. Legs don't fail. Step sync to imaginary theme music. Move it.
Oh guys, I am a cat and more games with that. There are more games such as I am a cat, I am a monkey, and many more games. They make best games of all time. Look guys, I have $1K. Now I'm gonna spend it. Let's see what we get. Oh my goodness! Now I'm infinite goldie. Now look at this. It was a bazooka. Kaboom. Kaboom. Now, this was a dumb one. Very low HP. Like guys, 1 HP at a time. Oh guys, I died. Look guys, this bird is telling to come there. So let's go to him and complete our full. Let's get the gun. Let's try to fight him. AK-47. Let's go to him. This is the first bird's house. As you can see. I just hope that is true.
Compliance requested. 30 seconds
Welcome. Let's start with us. Reach the highest point.
Away from sex.
Yeah, reach the highest point. Yes, I got $700. Now, let's go to the So guys, bye bye, and we'll do a part 2. So तब तक के लिए bye bye.
Keep going. Boys down, just south, neighborhoods up. Lock in.
It's in the Carolina, Carolina. Dun, dun, dun. Bye bye.